आज इस शुभ अवसर पर डिग्री एवं मेडल प्राप्त करने वाले सभी विद्यार्थियों को हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं। Ladies and gentlemen, Kurukshetra University holds the highest grade of A++ by NAC and is the only state university in Haryana to achieve this honor. We are among the first universities in the country to successfully implement National Education Policy 2020 with its all the core provisions. Over the last 4 years, University has launched 28 new academic programs, including in emerging areas like cyber security, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. The university has also secured about 64 patents during this period. In the field of sports, the university achieved distinction by securing third position in Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy, the most prestigious trophy in the field of sports, for 2 consecutive years at the national level. Similarly, in cultural activities, the university secured first position among all government universities of the country. As part of the university's commitment to sustainability, each student plants 1 tree, leading to approximately 75,000 trees being planted annually by our students. Ladies and gentlemen, Kurukshetra University thus stands among the leading institutions in India, excelling equally in academics, research, sports, and cultural activities. Dear graduating students, आज आपको डिग्री के साथ तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद में वर्णित संदेशों का एक उपदेश पत्रक भी दिया जा रहा है। उम्मीद है आप भावी जीवन में सत्य पथ पर चलने की प्रेरणा देने वाले इस उपदेश को अपने आचरण का हिस्सा बनाएंगे। जीवन पथ पर चलते हुए आपको कई चुनौतियों का सामना भी करना होगा। उस समय आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी के लोगों में लिखे हुए ध्येय वाक्य योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि, जो कि गीता से लिया गया है, इसको हमेशा याद रखिएगा, जिसका अर्थ है सफलता और असफलता दोनों में संतुलन बनाए रखते हुए अपने कर्तव्य कर्मों को करना। आज आपका दीक्षांत समारोह है। दीक्षांत का मतलब शिक्षा का अंत नहीं, बल्कि शुरुआत है एक नई उड़ान की। अपनी इस उड़ान में आप आसमान की बुलंदियों को छुएं, इसके लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
I declare the convocation open and permit to confer the degrees and gold medals.
It's really a matter of honor for me that this degree has been conferred by the university. I do not know whether I deserve it or not, but the fact remains that all these things really motivate you to do more, in fact. I remember that when I passed out in 85, the convocation was probably held in 86 or 87, and we sat in these rows only to get our degrees. And thereafter, when I was elevated in 2006, thereafter a convocation was held in 2007, if I remember, when the then President of India, Dr. Abdul Kalam, had addressed the convocation. And at that time also, 5-6 of the judges who were there in the High Court at that time and passed out from this university had also been invited. जब आप किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन में पढ़े हैं और वहाँ आते हैं तो आपकी मेमोरीज एक डिफरेंट तरीके से रिवाइव होती। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर डिपार्टमेंट तो हमारे इधर पीछे ही है लॉ डिपार्टमेंट। आई रिमेंबर द टीचर्स हु हैड टॉट अस, और उस टाइम 3 इयर्स कोर्स ही होता था, 5 इयर्स तो था नहीं जब हमने पास आउट किया था। And wherever I have reached today, I think a lot of contribution is made firstly by the parents and thereafter by the teachers, and then finally, if you ask me, your colleagues are there always, no doubt, but your family. Because the kind of job I am discharging, I think a lot of contribution of the family members also remain.
It gives me immense pleasure to be present at the 35th convocation of Kurukshetra University, an institution that stands as a beacon of knowledge, values, and excellence, not only in the state of Haryana, but also in the whole of our country. At the outset, I extend my heartiest congratulations to Justice Rajesh Bindal on being conferred the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa. This honor is a recognition of his outstanding contribution to the field of law and justice. It is a matter of great pride for all of us that he is also a distinguished alumnus of this prestigious university. Today is a proud moment as nearly 2,000 students receive their degrees. My heartfelt congratulations to all the degree recipients